Part 4, revising your taking a stand essay. One area I really want you guys to focus on for this paper is in how you explain your quotes, paraphrases, and summaries. Okay? So when going through and reviewing them, keep this principle in mind. Evidence is never self-explanatory. Okay? We often like to proofread with the assumption that the evidence speaks for itself or the facts speaks for themselves, but this is actually never really the case. Facts, statistics, and evidence always have to be interpreted. And this is especially true when your readers may not share your beliefs, experiences, or worldview. They're likely going to be tempted to view the information differently from you. So you need to explain to them how you interpret it and see it, and how this evidence helps you arrive at the conclusions that you have. Okay? And now, in all my years of teaching writing, I very rarely, if ever, had to tell a student, stop explaining your evidence. I'm not that dumb. I can see the connection. A lot of the times we assume our readers see the connection between our ideas and thoughts more than they actually do. So it's always best to err on the side of overemphasizing and over-explaining your evidence than under it. Now, just a couple proofreading things to keep in mind. Make sure that your topic, claim, and position are clear. Make sure that you kind of explain what the controversy is. Make sure that you have clearly explained your evidence and reasons and how they relate back to your claim. Why is your position the better position or the correct position? Does each paragraph have clear topic sentences? Have you treated your opposition fairly? Have you cited all of your sources properly and avoided plagiarism? And then lastly, have you used pronouns correctly? And one other point, which I'll add here, and I realized I left off, is transitions. Have you used transitions between your different ideas to introduce your sources and to introduce your opposition? Now, one last thing I just want to point out is in the worksheet, there is a little 4-minute video right here that will give you some very useful proofreading tips and strategies that you can use, and these are ones that professionals use when reviewing their work, so I think you'll find them helpful to remove all those little things that sometimes we overlook. All right, I am looking forward to reading what you guys are passionate about and how you want to persuade me to agree with your different positions. So I love these types of essays. They're almost my favorite. So looking forward to hearing some good arguments. And if you have any questions over the weekend, feel free to send me a text or email. I'll have my phone near me to answer your questions.